Nomenclature of some other compounds, you have this particular compound. Okay, so you can start numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5, but you must have to start numbering from this side, so that 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? Now this is the pentene actually. Okay, and it would be considered as functional group or substituent over here. Okay, so the name of this compound is 2 methyl 1 pentene. Hope this is clear to all of you, or you can write its name like 2 methyl pent 1 ene. Pent mean you have 5 carbon atom in a chain. Methyl is considered as a substituent at the that is attached to at the second position, and 1 ene mean there is a double bond between carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Okay. Another example like this. Okay. This is the compound, right? So you must have to this is a symmetrical molecule, mean both of the side at this plane are same. You can see over here. ठीक है, इसलिए you can start numbering from any position 1 2 3 4 5, and the name of this compound will be 3 methyl 1 4 pentadiene. So it's the name of the compound. Okay. Next example for the nomenclature, that is this compound C triple bond CH. Got it? So you have at the terminal position double bond and triple bond. You must have to start numbering from here, because always whenever in an alkene and system containing both double bond and triple bond, always give preference to the double bond. 1 2 3 and 4. It's here you must have to give the name. You can write down it like this: 1 butene, right, 3 ine, because here is not any substituent in this compound. So if there is substituent at any other position, at 2 position or at 1 position, आप पहले substituent का नाम देते. Here is not any substituent, so you have written only this 1 butene and 3 ine. Got it? Okay. Next example, you have this compound like this. Okay, this is the compound. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, you have total 6 कार्बन. इसमें मैं आपको दोबारा से ड्रॉ करके बताती हूँ. दिस इज CH3, it is CH2, C triply bonded C CH3 CH3 and over H. All of you, hope this is clear to all of you now. Now if you will start numbering from here 1 2 3, at 3 position you have triple bond and at 2 position you have substituent, and if you will start numbering from here 1 2 3, there is not any substituent, so we will number it from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. All of you getting this? ठीक है. So now the name of this compound 2 methyl, right, 3 because there is a position of double bond over here, hexyne. Okay, so these are the name of these compounds. Let me move further. There is compound CH2 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 CH3. Here is the presence of double bond, it's H and CH3. It's basically the cis isomer where both the bulky groups are at one side. Okay, definitely we will start numbering from here 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Longest continuous chain, and it have a substituent at this position, as there is not any substituent at second position. So 3 methyl 2, 2 mean there is double bond between second and third position. And how many carbon in a chain? 7. So heptene. It's the name of this compound. This is the name of this compound. Again you have another compound, C, single bond C, triple bond C, C, triple bond C, C. Okay, CH3 over here and H3 over here. Okay. So it is also symmetrical as 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can number it from here 6, right? So you can say 2 and 4. Got it? Because there is same triple bond, and whenever there is same functional group present within a compound or same substituent, you must have to put comma over here. 2, 4. Okay. Then how many carbon? 6 carbon. It stands for hexa. ठीक है, hexa. And you have diene, so hexa diene. This is the name of the compound. And in IUPAC name, all of you must have to give numbers in order to describe the position of substituent as well as the position of double bond or triple bond in a compound, right? Another example, we have this compound. This is the compound. Okay. Definitely you will start numbering from here, because here there is a position of presence of substituent. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's very simple alkane, because here is not any double bond or triple bond in this compound. So 2 methyl hexane, mean hexane, at the hexane, at the second position of hexane there is what? Methyl group attached, right? And another example, this is the example. So if you will start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you will start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, थर्ड पोजीशन पे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट आएगा और यहाँ पे सेकंड पोजीशन पे आएगा, ठीक है? तो और ये सिमेट्रिकल है, अगर आप देखें तो ये वाला पार्ट क्या है? सेम है और बोथ द साइड. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू कि हम क्या करेंगे कि वी विल स्टार्ट नंबरिंग फ्रॉम हेयर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second position you have methyl group, and at third position you have ethyl group. Got it? So you will write down 3 alphabetically first, 3 ethyl, because alphabetically ethyl comes first, then 2 dash methyl, because these groups are different from one another and it's the longest continuous chain. Okay, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, and what is the number of chain? Pentane. Okay, here is not any presence of double or triple bond. We will name it simply 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, pentane. Okay. There are other cyclo compounds having the cycle in their structures. Let me take an example, that is this one. Okay, it is first of all we must have to number it from a position where the substituent is attached, 1, 2, 3, and अगर हम यहाँ से करते तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 5 position हो जाता, ठीक है? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 3, capital D, first letter capital, dimethyl. Okay. जहाँ पे if there is not any mention hydrogen, it means that here is methyl group. And what is this? How many carbon atom in this chain? 6 carbon atom. Then 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane is the name of this compound. You have another example. ठीक है? If there is double bond in a cycle, then it's a symmetrical molecule. You can start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6. Okay, this is 1 4 cyclohexa. Cyclo mean it's a cyclic compound, hexa mean 6 carbon containing compound, diene mean you have 2 double bond in this compound, right? Okay, let we move further. You have this compound, you will start numbering from here 1 2 3 4. You can do clockwise as well as anti-clockwise because it's also a symmetrical compound like this. Okay, so आप इसको यूँ भी लिख सकते हैं 1 मिथाइल साइक्लोपेंटेन. ओके, एंड अगर आप इसको 1 मेंशन ना भी करें, मिथाइल साइक्लोपेंटेन लिखें तो उसका भी स्ट्रक्चर यही होगा. ठीक है, एंड अगेन another structure, for example you have this, so you must have to give number it from here 1 2 3. Okay, then it's basically 3 carbon cyclopropane, and here double bond is present between 1 and 2. You can write down its name like 1 cyclopropene or simple cyclopropene. 1 से ऑब्वियस है कि यहाँ पे कोई भी डबल बॉन्ड है तो आपने उसको कार्बन नंबर 1 ही असाइन करना है. होप दिस इज़ क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू.